today we are going to start with this series. In that we will learn about the number series. Though in our previous class we had started this series, we had learned what is series, what are the various types of series. In that one of the type is the number series. Let us quickly recap those things and let us go ahead. Students, last day we had started with the definition of series. Series is the collection or group of numbers which is following certain rules, mathematical rules in the form of formula or certain mathematical logics. That one. Considering that various example we had taken last day, these are listed here. So students, these we have already completed this. If you have doubt, please go through the previous class video. Student, then we had started with the type of series. Broadly, there are 5 types of series, and these 5 types of series we had already finished. The broader classification is verbal and non-verbal. In this verbal, there are 4 categories. One is called as number series, another is alphabetic series, another alphanumeric series, another one is alphabet or character pattern, and in non-verbal, the figure-based series. Students, so in this number series, we have learned certain pattern is followed, like in the first, just addition of 4 is followed. In the second, if you are taking the difference is 4, 8, 16. So next will be 32 will add it to this 33, gives us 35, or directly the terms are also related. Like 9 can be obtained by 5 multiplied by 2 minus 1. 17 can be obtained by 9 multiplied by 2 minus 1. Even 33 can be obtained by 77 multiplied by 2 minus 1. So 2 kind of rules can be applied here. In the third example, here we are getting that the alternate terms, they are forming this series, like 1, 4 and 7. It is just addition of 3, and 2, 4, 8. It is the just multiple. So the next one corresponding to this what will be obtained by addition of 3 in 7, it becomes 10, and the next one, it is the multiplication by 2. So it will be 8 multiplied by 2, it will be 60. This thing we had finished. The other was alphabetic series, where alphabets, so alphabet have to be looked in the term of numbers, and these numbers finally have to be written in the term of alphabets. These are opposite pair with the shifting that we have learned. Then alphanumeric, where alphabet and numbers both are present. So we have to look for this series among the numbers than among the alphabets. This thing we have already learned. Then the pattern, we have learned mostly 3 or 4 kind of pattern are there. So count the total characters, then divide it suitably into the groups, find the number of groups. Each of the group must follow some pattern or character. Means the variation must be uniform or the same that we have learned. The next category is for the non-verbal, means the 5th type. Here, whatever the figure given, how is the movement of this figure, or how is the reflection, or how is the variation that we have to observe, and the same kind of variation we have to see in the next one. So we had obtained that this circle will move at this position and triangle will move at this position. So if you have doubt, please go through the last lecture, last video. Then the next category is formation of equivalent series, in which from the given series we are determining the rule, and the next in which unknown, this A, B, C, D, E have to be determined. Their first term is given. So same rule have to be applied with this first term, and this A, B, C, D, E can be determined. This we have already learned. Students, this number series may be increasing, may be decreasing, or maybe the oscillating, means once increasing, another decreasing. Like here we are getting. So in this oscillating, it is nothing but it is same as the 2 series are merged together. Students, like here in this third, you can see that if you are adding this 4, you are getting this 5, plus 4, you are getting 9, plus 4, you are getting 13. So this what will be plus 4. So 7, this 13 plus 4, it will be 17 for this one. And for this one, the other 2 means 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is our 16. Then 16 multiplied by 2 it must be. So it must be 32. So this is 32. This is 17. So this is called oscillating or double series. Like here we have taken the same example. So this thing we had already learned. Now, students, today we are going to focus over the number series. The main challenge of the number series is to determine the rule. What is the rule followed? Once you are able to predict that rule, the question is so simple. So students, in this number series, so 2 kind of things we have to observe. First, apply the difference. Observe whether difference is following certain pattern, means certain regular variation. If not, then leave that this difference. Try directly with the terms, how one term is related to the next. So these are the 2 key things for the number series. That's why we had written. So we have to first identify or predict the variation, see the differences among the 5 categories, then apply the same for the next term. Student, so the key thing is how to predict whether the difference rule is applicable, or multiplication is applicable, or constant addition or varying addition is applicable. In this series, the most important challenge is to determine the rule. For calculating or finding the unknown terms or missing terms or even the wrong term, first we have to determine the rules. But how to determine the rules? For determining the rules, you must find the nearby number which is familiar to you. So it is only the familiar number with the help of which you are able to determine the rule. Students, broadly, all the questions or rules can be determined by applying the variations or differences among the consecutive or successive numbers. So first we have to observe the difference between the successive numbers. Then we have to analyze whether this difference is constant, whether this difference is uniformly increasing, say by 2, 6, 10, means continuous addition, or increase in difference, or whether this difference is increasing very fastly. So how is the variation in difference? By that we can predict. Students, this difference also gives us the idea for predicting or for connecting one of the term directly with the other. So how are those rules or those things we are going to understand. So students, the very first thing is quickly observe nearby familiar milestones. What I had already told you, the square, cubes, different powers of 2 and 3 for determining the relation and do the adjustment. It is that much only. Students, so in this adjustment or in this series, you will find that either this series is increasing. So when this series means the next term is increasing, it simply means the next term is obtained by addition or something multiplication from the previous term. So if the series is increasing, then surely there will be addition or multiplication. Whether addition or multiplication, that we have to determine, and that can be determined by the followed rule. If the series is decreasing, so decreasing next term is lesser than the first number, means there must be something either subtracted or something divided. So this subtraction or division for this decreasing series, that may be with some adjustment or without adjustment. So this is the mainly key things that we have to understand. How is this? So for this, the other things are written that will be helpful. So student, so series, among this series, either the relation could be among their differences. The differences is constant, or the differences is uniformly varying, or differences is very fastly varying. These things. So either the difference relation or direct one term is related to another. Like one term is multiplied by 2 added with 1. At that time difference may not be constant, or one term is a square of other plus 2. So those things. So this rule or relation can be either for their difference or with the element or terms of the series directly. Student, how is this? We have to see. Students, you are given with the series 67, 71, 73, 79, 83. What is the next term? So one thing, observe the difference. If not uniform, try to find the relation among these numbers, means based on the character of numbers. So students, here if we are taking the difference between 67 and 71, it is addition of 4. Another 71 to 73, addition of 2. 73 to 79, addition of 6. 79 to 83, addition of 4. So here we are observing that these differences are not uniformly or not constant. But if we watch the number carefully, 67, 71, 73, 79 and 83. All of these are prime number, which is in increasing order. So next number will be the prime number, and that prime number greater than this 83 is, so the prime number followed this 83 is our 89. Next unknown term is our 89. So this way you have to start with very basic thing. See, this difference have given us the idea that next number cannot be obtained just by adding something, but we shall search among the number. So here it was the direct relation among the element or numbers or terms of the series itself. But it is possible that these differences are following some pattern. Let us take the second question. 8, 26, 80 and 242. Here we are observing that these numbers are increasing very fastly. Here we are observing that the variation is very large and that variation is not uniform. So wherever the number varies, rapidly jump, at that time we shall think for the number directly. We shall think for the nearby familiar number. We are knowing that 8 is one of the familiar number and it is our 2 cube that we are knowing. But coming to the 26, 26 is not in any of the familiar number like a square, cube, it is not. But we are knowing that if we are taking the 27, which is near to this 26, so 26 is like 27 minus 1. It means this can be understood in the term of 3 cube minus 1. Students, then coming to this 80, we are knowing that 80 is closer to our familiar number 81, which is 3 to the power 4 minus 1. So 80 is 81 minus 1, which is 3 to the power 4 minus 1. This is also one of our familiar number, and last I has highlighted it. It is 243 minus 1. It is 3 to the power 5 minus 1. Here we are observing these are following the pattern. So rather than writing this as 2 to the power 3, this 8 can also be written as 9 minus 1. Means this can also be written as 3 square minus 1. Now, observing this, we are getting that 3 square minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 3 to the power 4 minus 1, 3 to the power 5 minus 1. So this way, it appears that this is catching a pattern, but earlier consideration that 2 cube is not applicable here. This way, we have to adjust with our familiar number. So much simple. Therefore, here the next number can be determined by taking this 3 to the power. Here the power is continuously increasing. So after 5 it will be 6, and always there is minus 1. It is like this. 3 to the power 6 is 729, minus 1, it is 728 is the final answer. So what we are observing, students, that this series, the term of this series are directly related to the previous number or some mathematical rule. It is that one. We may consider for some difference rules, students. Let us take this. 112, 115, 124, 151. What is next? You have to answer it. Here we are observing that these series are not directly jumping or not increasing very rapidly or very fastly. Therefore, we shall try with their differences first. So let us take the difference. 112 and 115. So 115 minus 112, it is obtained by plus of 3. Then 115, 124. So this is obtained by adding 9. Means take the difference, 124 minus 115, it is 9. The next one is 151 minus 124. Take the difference. This is our 27. Students, here we are observing that the difference is following certain pattern. Means what? This is like 3 to the power 1. This 3 is like 3 to the power 1. This 9 is 3 square. This 27 is 3 cube. It means the next difference should be 81. It means this unknown term can be determined, because why this 81? This is our 3 to the power 4, students. So the next term can be determined by adding 81 in this 151. So 151 plus of 81. It will be 232. This is the required answer. So from here, even from this 3 example, whatever we have observed, that I have listed here. So students, if there is uniform increase or decrease, means constant things is being added in the term for getting the new term, that increase or decrease is said to be uniform. And the next term or wrong term can be determined very easily. So this is the easiest series, but we have to start by checking this one. Let us take the example. Say it is our 7, 14, 24, 37, 53. Let us check the difference, or we are observing that the number are increasing, but increase is not very fast. So we shall go for the differences first. Students, 7 to 14 means it is plus of 7 here. Then 14 to 24, it is plus of 10 here. 24 to 37 means addition of 13 here. Then 37 to 53, it is addition of 16 here. Here we are getting that the difference itself is increasing, or if you are taking further difference of this 7 and 10, you are getting it is the 3. 13 and 10, it is the 3. 16 and 13, it is the 3. Means difference of difference here. It is our 3. This is our 3. This is our 3. Means the next difference that we can obtain is by adding the 3 in this 16, it become 19. But this 19 have to be added with this 53 to get this unknown number. So unknown number is 53 plus 19. It becomes 72. This is the answer. Okay, student? So the very first tool or the thing that you have to start is check with the difference. यहां से आप शुरू करिए डिफरेंस से बाकी आंसर तक आप पक्का पहुंचेंगे. Okay? So this was the first example. So this way we have finished this. The answer is 72. Here we were observing that the difference was continuously increasing. So next was 19. Even the difference of difference means this further. This we may call as the first difference. If we are taking the difference of these differences, it is 3, it is 3, it is 3. So difference of difference is here constant. Students, let us take the next category of trick or next category of question. Here in this first category, we were observing that the increase was almost uniformly or slowly. Okay, it was slowly increasing differences. But sometimes you will find that the difference is very rapid or very fast. Or we may further say some of them are faster and some of them are very fast. In that case, there will be either multiplication, and if there is decrease, then it will be division. So faster increase or decrease, you shall apply this multiplication or division. Students, see with the example. See, now we are observing that it is 7, 13, 25, 49 and 97. How many terms are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Compare it with the earlier question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. If we are comparing, we are finding that in this case, the increase was slowly or almost the variation was not that much faster. But in this case, we are getting that after 5 terms, it have increased to a larger number 97. So in such a case where the variation is faster, then we shall go for checking the multiplication with adjustment or division if it is the decreasing series. So simple things. So let us try, students. So let us try this 7, 13, 25, 49 and 97. If we are taking the difference here, let us take the difference first. That is the very first thing. Students, 7 plus 6 is going to give us 13. Then 25 means plus 12. Then 25, 49, it is our 24. Then here it is our, go for further taking the difference, it is our 48. Student, 97 minus 49, it is our 48. Student, now observing. Now while we are observing that these differences are now multiplied. 7, 6, 2s are. Then again this 12, 2s are. Then this 24, 2s are. Means the difference is doubled. So next difference here I can get by multiplying this 48 by the next difference will be 48 multiplied by 2. It is our 96. So this 96 have to be added in this 97 and we can get this unknown number as 97 plus 96. Go for adding them. It is our 193. What we are observing, even the difference gives us the idea what will be the next. As students, in addition to that, here we can observe one more rule. What is that? Say, here it appears to be increasing fastly than 7 twos are. Here we are getting that this 13 is nearly 2 times, not exactly 2 times, but it is nearly 2 times. So roughly you have to write this 2 here. Again, 13 and 25, not exactly 2, but roughly it is obtained by multiplying it by 2. Keep in mind. Also, 25 and 49 means 49 is roughly the doubled. So 2. Then 49 to 97, it is roughly twice, not exactly. Now, here we are observing that the next number is roughly twice, but not exactly the twice. It means we have to do some adjustment, either addition or subtraction to reach the exact number. Students, here we are getting that 7 multiplied by 2 minus 1. What is that? 7 to the 14 minus 1 is 13. Similarly, 13 multiplied by 2 is 26 minus 1, 25. Again, this 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. Then minus 1 is 49. Then 97 multiplied by 2 minus 1. 49 multiplied by 2 minus 1 is our 97. It means the next number will be following the same mathematical rules or formula that we have derived. Means this number 97 have to be multiplied by 2 and 1 have to be subtracted. So it is 194 minus 1. It is 193. So this way we are observing here that more than one rule is possible. Right here, more than one rule is possible. Students, the important thing is that we have to move systematically. Means first you have to try with difference, try with difference of succeeding terms. If this difference is giving idea, most of the time or in around 50% of the question you will get that this difference will give you the clue what will be the name. But if you are not getting that, then next means in the second term you shall try the terms directly, and in some of the question both are applicable. Like here we are observing that the first method that we had solved here, in that the difference rule was applicable. The second method, method number 2, we had applied here, in that the multiplication with adjustment is applicable. Okay, students. So these are the key things that you have to understand. So let us recall again. If the difference is almost constant or varying very slowly, in that case you have to go for this difference rule. Okay. Next, if the variation is faster, then go for checking one term multiplied by some number. Here we are getting that each of these term is multiplied by 2. Okay, no? Means multiplication or division, this is by a fixed number. Comparing these two, we are observing that if the variation is almost uniform or slowly, then you have to go for this addition of difference. If the variation is very rapid, you shall go for multiplication or division of this term. So with or without adjustment. But even for going this, you shall first check the difference. Students, here we are getting that this variation is tripling. So this multiplication or division in this case is by a constant number, or fixed number. Means each term is being just doubled. then the variation is faster. But you may think, if I am multiplying this 7 by 2 minus 1 and this 13 by 3 then minus 1 and then this 25 by 3 by 4 minus 1, then this number will be very, very large. Means the increase will be very rapid or very fast. So that kind of variation we are going to see in our next category. Students, so the next category or next concept is when the variation is sudden or very fast. Okay, so when there is a rapid variation, means very faster variation, at that time the multiplication or division, that will be with the increasing number, or that could be a power series. So this way we can catch what is the rule. Let us see one example. As students, here I have started with the same number. Here we were observing variation was uniform. Here variation was faster, but starting with the same number 7. Here it is 7, 15, 47, 191. Here you are getting that just after the fourth term, the number is very, very large. Okay, student. So when variation is very, very large, means it is called as rapid jump or sudden, or when the series is ramping or in zigzag, means बहुत fastly increase हो गया. At that time, you have to think for the multiplication with increasing coefficients. Like यहाँ देखिए multiplication by हम लोगों ने 2 देखे थे student, means हर term nearly 2 से multiply हो रहा था. बट यहां देखेंगे तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा तो वो इंक्रीजिंग नंबर से मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा, या ये एक आपको पावर सीरीज मिलेगा. मींस या तो 2 क्यूब, 3 क्यूब और स्क्वायर और क्यूब ऑफ सम बिगर नंबर, such kind. So students, let us observe this and you have to post your answer. What is for this one? If we are taking the difference 7 to 15, it is plus 8. 15 to 47, it is our 28. Here we are observing that this increase is very, very fast. So this difference is not going to fetch any result. Then what to do? Then we shall try with the multiplication series or power series. Students, how to think? One may think this 8 closer to this, the number is, say, consider this 7. Closer to this 7, the number is 8. One may think like this. It is like 8 minus 1. One may start with this one. Okay. It can be 2 cube minus 1. So one may take this as 2 cube minus 1. 15, one may think as 16 minus 1, because 16 is the familiar number. Here we can write 2 to the power 4 minus 1. But coming to this 47, 47 is not at all near to any familiar number. So our approach of thinking in the power series have failed after just the 2 terms. Then what to do? Students, because 47 cannot be written as 2 to the power anything minus 1. Similarly, 191 is not coming anywhere because it is either 128 or 256 in the power of 2. Also, no 47, it is 32 or 64. So these terms are not satisfying these rules what we had tried. So our this trial is also wrong. Therefore, we have to go for new trial. What could be the new thing? Students, just the other thing one we may think, this 7 to 15, 7 multiplied by 2 means roughly it is twice. So do not initially just go for the adjustment. You just observe 7 to the near to this 15, means though it is 7 to the 14 plus 1. Also we are observing this 15 is approximately 3 times, though it is 15 3s are 45, that one. Then this 47, we are getting that it is nearly 4 times, because 15, 4s are nearly 200, 47 is closer to that, and it is also that. It is 4 times. So here we are observing it is nearly a multiplication series that we have observed. Now we have to adjust to get the exact number. So 7 2s are 14 plus 1. It is 15. It's okay. Now 15 3s are 45. But we have to add this 2. So plus 2. Then 47 multiplied by 4. Here we have to add this 3. Otherwise it is 188. So it is 3. What we are observing? Now it appears me the first number multiplied by 2, 1 is added. The next one is obtained by multiplying this with the 3 and 2 is added. The next is obtained by multiplying it by 4 and 3 is added. It means the next number can be obtained by multiplying by 5 and adding 4. So what will be 191 multiplied by 5 plus 4? So students, here we are observing that the variation is very, very fast. Then it is the multiplication series with increasing multiplication factor. This way we have obtained this. Now comparing these 3 series, student, this with this. Just by comparison you can get or you can understand the key things. Observe or let us remember. If the variation is almost uniform, go for addition or subtraction. Whatever the terms added may be increasing or decreasing. Okay. A student, if there is faster variation, means variation, but almost every term is doubled or tripled like that. So that variation means it is just multiplication by constant number, with or without adjustment. It is this one. But if there is a rapid or sudden increase or decrease, in that case, there will be multiplication, but multiplication number will be increasing. Also, there may be the adjustment, means the addition or some subtraction that may also increase. So this way we have to understand. Or the other could be the power series also. So both of these categories. So these are very important things. So it is our 959. Okay, student, it is this one. Let us take the other example. 7, 25, 79, 241. Again, we are observing that it is rapidly increasing or very fastly increasing. Here we are getting that we may start with the difference, but difference is not going to fetch any result because the variation is very fast. Let us find some familiar number. And we are getting that this 7 can be understood as 8 minus 1, and 8 is our familiar number. Means it is like our 8 minus 1 means 2 cube minus 1. Okay. And this 25 can be understood as either 5 square. But here we are getting that this was not following the square. Even 7 was not following the square. So this square term is not suitable for us. Or even this, we are considering this 89. It is also not closer to a square. So a square is not feasible. Let us take the other familiar number near to 25. It is our 27. So we can understand 27 minus means it is like our 3 cube minus. Yeah, 89. It is also closer to 81 minus 2. So students, in this case, we are observing that it is the series of 3 square minus 2, 3 cube minus 2, 3 to the power 4 minus 2, 3 to the power 5 minus 2. Therefore, what will be 3 to the power 6 minus 2 is our 727. Here we are observing it is the power series. Students, can we apply the multiplication series here? Let us try with that one also. If we are taking 7 3s are 21 plus 4. Okay, it is applicable. 25 3s are 75 plus 4. Okay. Now apply this here. Also, Here we are getting that. Students, again let us go for multiplying it by 3. 8 3s are 24. So it is into 3 plus 4. What we are getting? Multiplied by 3 plus 4 is also applicable. So if we are going by that way, what can we determine by 241 multiplied by 3 plus 4? Go for doing this. It is 3, 2 and 7 plus 4. Students, 727. Whether different result? Not at all any difference. You are getting the same result. Okay, students? So here the two rules are applicable. Either we can take this as the power series because the numbers are familiar, or we can take multiplication by 3 plus 4. Here we are getting, it is the multiplication with a bigger number. So this way we have concluded that if the rapid change or rapid or faster variation, we shall go for checking this multiplication. Students, the next category is variation is not uniform. Variation is not uniform means if it is increasing, though the variation is lesser, but once increasing, another time decrease. Means once increasing, decreasing, or once increased by a smaller number, another time increased by larger number, another time increased by again a smaller number. In that case, we have the concept of alternate series. Means that series is formed by merging the two series, writing one series at their odd places and another series at even places. It is also possible to merge the three series. Okay, so that is the last important thing that we have to keep in mind. Once increasing, then decreasing. So have a relation, either multiplication, division, or maybe the two alternate series. Let us see one example. Students, here we are getting that 16 to 48, but 48 it have decreased to 24, then again increased, then again decreased. By observing here, we are getting that this 48 is obtained by multiplying this 16 by 3. 24 is obtained by dividing this 48 by 2. Again, this 24 is multiplied by 3 to get 72, and dividing this 72 by 2, we are getting this 36. It means the next number will be, observe, first multiply, then divide. Again multiply by 3, divided by 2. So next will be multiplied by 3. Okay. If further next is asked, then that have to be divided by 2. So this way there is alternate multiplication or division, or maybe alternate series that we are going to see. So here, go for multiplying this 36 by 3, you will get 108. So 108 is the required answer. So this way we have learned all the possible ways. कितने टाइप के सीरीज होंगे स्टूडेंट्स, तो आपको यही तरीका अप्लाई करना है. Let us recall quickly. First, you have to watch the series. You have to find whether the difference is constant. If the difference is constant or increasing uniformly, then that will be the addition series. If the increase is faster, means it is multiplied by 2 or roughly 3 with some adjustment or without adjustment. The next one is, if the series is increasing very, very fastly or rapidly or suddenly, then either it will be the power series or it is multiplied by a number which is continuously increasing. So successive increasing multiplication. यहाँ पे आपको एक ही वाट पूछा था तो आंसर यही हो गया. यदि आपको 2 वाट पूछता, मींस दो बार पूछता कि आगे के दो टर्म क्या है, तो अगला टर्म आपको 108 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 से मिलने वाला था, तब आपको 54 मिलता। बट यहां तो आपको एक ही टर्म पूछा है, सो 108 इटसेल्फ इज द आंसर। आपको यदि दूसरा भी पूछता, दो अननोन यदि पूछता, तो उसका नेक्स्ट टर्म 54 मिलता। सो स्टूडेंट्स, if the increase is sudden or very fast, then go for successive multiplication, means multiplication with increasing multiplying factor, or go for the power series. But if the series is once increasing then decreasing, in that case we have to search or we have to find that either something first added next subtracted, or first multiplied next divided, that way. So it is 2 means multiplication, division or addition, subtraction are applied in the same series in succession, or it may be possible that 2 alternate series are there. Student, this can also be broken into 2 alternate series that we will see later. Let us take one more question. 6, 3, 10, 7, 14, 15, 18, 31. Here we are getting that number is first decreasing, then increasing, decreasing, increasing, again increasing, increasing, increasing. What will be the next? Next 2 term here we have to determine. आप फिर से सुनिए, पहला चीज सीरीज मिले तो देखिए कि ये कंटिन्यूअसली इंक्रीज कर रहा है या डिक्रीज कर रहा है। इंक्रीज कर रहा है तो एडिशन होगा, डिक्रीज कर रहा है सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा। नेक्स्ट देखिए, इफ इट इज इंक्रीजिंग फास्टली बट not jumping or not very rapid or not very sudden, in that case it will be multiplication by some constant number, okay, or the difference is following some series. The next, if the increase or decrease is very sudden, very fast, like here we are getting 7 to around 200 it is going, then it will be multiplication with increasing numbers or some power series. It is followed here. Students, next, if once increasing another time decreasing, or the variation or the difference is not constant but that difference is zigzag, in that case you shall try either first addition, subtraction, or multiplication with division, or the 2 alternate series. Only this much are the concept. You have to try this, okay? आपको ये 4 चीजों को बार बार कुछ क्वेश्चन में अप्लाई करेंगे, बाद में आपको आदत हो जाएगी, ओके? बड़ा नंबर देखते ही आपको पता चलेगा कि वो डिफरेंस से ज्यादा कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है। ये वेरिएशन जिगजैग देखते ही आपको पता चलेगा कि वो इसको तो हमें 2 सीरीज में सोचना चाहिए या एक बार एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन में सोचने चाहिए। ये देखिए रफली डबल और ट्रिपल है तो हाँ ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद सम एडजस्टमेंट हमें सोचने चाहिए। इतना सिंपल होता है सीरीज। वंस वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, सीरीज इज ओवर। दो वी विल प्रैक्टिस मोर क्वेश्चन, डोंट वरी। सो स्टूडेंट्स, let us come to this question. 6, 3, 10, 7, 14, 15, 18, 31. Next 2 unknown term. If we are taking the difference, 6 to 3 means minus 3. 3 to 10 means plus 7. Next, 10 to 7 means minus of 3. 7 to 14 means plus of 7. 14 to 15 is plus of 1. 15 to 18 is plus of 3, and 18 to 31 is our 13. So here we are getting that this difference is neither uniform, no, once increasing another decreasing, means this difference could not give us any idea. So we shall think for whether one is divided, multiplied, is that like that? Okay, we may think 6 is divided by 2 to get this 3. 3 is multiplied by 3 plus 1. But the next 7 cannot be obtained by dividing this 10 by 2. What we had obtained this 3 from this 6. So that just multiplication or division is again not applicable. So we shall try the other thing. What could be the other thing? Students, we can apply or we can see for the alternate term. Terms which are present at the odd places. They are 6, 10, 14, 18. Then this, let us consider this as what and what dash. Students, so let me write these terms here. 6, 10, then 14, then 18, and what we can obtain is this one we can obtain. So what? Here we are observing that it is being increased by 4, increased by 4, increased by 4. So this what can be obtained by adding 8 plus 4, it is our 22. So this way, this term is 22. Now, for the other one, we have to take the others. So other, whatever we have left at the even places, take this 3, 7, 15, 31, and this what dash. So let us keep it here. So the other series that we are going to separate is 3, 7, 15, 31, and the next what means what dash. Here we are getting that if we are taking the difference, or directly we are observing that 3 2s are plus 1, 7 2s are plus 1, 15 2s are plus 1. So it will be 2s are plus 1. So 31 2s are 62, and the other will be 63. So this is our 63. Students, this 3, 7, 15, 31 and this unknown means this second series or even place series can also be obtained by considering their difference. If we are considering the difference of this 3 and 7, it is our 4. 7 and 15, it is our 8. And this 15 and 31, it is our 16. Means this what can also be obtained. Here the difference should be 32. So it should be 31 plus 32. You will get the same result 33. Okay, student? So even for this, which one is easily visible to you? You can get it. So the two alternate series, it is also possible to keep 3 series in alternate fashion. So only these are the 4 important concepts that you have to keep in mind. Again, recall the first, go for checking the difference. If difference is uniformly increasing or decreasing or even constant, apply the addition series. Okay. Next, the increase is a bit faster, means roughly each term is being multiplied by twice or thrice. That increase, so go for multiplication or division with constant number, with or without adjustment as per the term of series. The next, the increase is very rapid or sudden or very fast. At that time, go for multiplication with increasing multiplying factor, or you will get that will be the series of some exponent or some power, like 2 cube means 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 8, like that one, or 3 power means 3 cube, 3 4, 3 to the power 5, like that one. Okay, that one. Another one, if this difference or the term itself not appear to satisfy any of the 3 conditions, then go for searching the alternate series, or apply first multiplication, then division, or addition, then subtraction, that alteration. Okay, so these are the only 4 concepts. If you know to apply this, your series is over. इतना ही सिंपल सा चीज है. इतने ही चीजें कहीं बुक में एक जगह समझा के नहीं लिखा हुआ है. Because of my vast experience, I had collected it separately and made your understanding easier. नहीं तो आप बस सोचते रह जाएं, आप रटते रह जाएंगे. बुक में क्वेश्चन सब एक जगह मिक्स किए हुए रहते हैं, आपको पता नहीं चलता है कि कब ये ऐड कर रहा है, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है, आप घूमते रह जाएंगे, पूरा साल वेस्ट हो जाता है और क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. लास्ट में नंबर के क्वेश्चन बच्चे से नहीं सॉल्व होते, जबकि नंबर के क्वेश्चन सबसे इजी होते हैं कंपटीशन के, एंड वेरी सॉलिड मार्क्स. ओके ना, क्योंकि बाकी जो पार्ट है हर बच्चा करता है, बट ये ज्यादातर बच्चे नहीं कर पाते. सो प्लीज फोकस व्हाट आई एम टीचिंग. So student, this way we have learned how to predict the rule or how to determine the rule or what are the type of series based on these rules. It is this one. Students, we can see the next. So what are the main rules? Whatever we have learned, based on that, some mathematical rules I have collected. There we have seen either there could be constant addition or increasing or decreasing addition. There could be multiplication or division, constant multiplication or increasing multiplication. There could be multiplication with addition or subtraction of some of the term. There could be the power series. There could be the 2 series. These are the 4 things. So what are the mathematical rules followed? The same thing is concluded in this slide. Students, keep in mind, very first you have to understand the type of number based series are framed. Like the series of prime number, most of you have failed so many times, though I had told you, but most of you have failed. So observe whether it is the series of prime number or some composite number or pair of number, that one. So based on the number series are framed. Next category is their next term, means Tn plus 1 is related to their previous term by some multiplying factor with some addition or subtraction. And this is the most common. Okay. So n plus 1th term or the difference, any of them can follow this. Either their difference can follow, the next difference is multiplication of the previous difference by some number with addition or subtraction, or the next term itself follow the multiplication of the previous term by some number with some addition or subtraction. I have just explained previously. Students, where this n represents this nth term and m is any constant which is multiplying the previous term or maybe dividing. Students, this p represent the adjustment, addition or subtraction. Students, this is the most general, means what? Say Tn or n plus 1 is depending on the previous term Tn plus or minus the number p. This is the most general. Even you observe it carefully, if m value is 0, say if this m is made 0, then this term becomes 0. So it will be the series of constant addition or subtraction. The first category. A student. The next one, if this p is just made 0 and this m is not 0 now. So students, if we are taking this p as 0 and m as not 0, in that case we will get that next term is obtained by multiplying the previous term by some number, like a table. Okay, multiplied by 2, each of these term multiplied by 2, the previous term. So a student, it could be this one. The next one, it is possible that neither this is 0, neither this is 0, means none of them is 0. So first the previous term multiplied by some number with some adjustment. So that's why this is the most general formula based on which these series are framed. A student, if this m was constant, it was falling to the 3rd category. If m is increasing, it is falling to the 4th category. जो अभी हमने आपको पीछे बताया. So the same thing is concluded or written mathematically here, students. So the terms must follow, or their difference must follow mostly these rules only. Based on this, it is framed. Though randomly, if any term is or any relation is given, that you cannot predict, or even the question is not framed. Otherwise, one may take any random rule, but based on that, the question are never framed in competition. So the special case, if m is 0, it is like constant addition or subtraction, means like 1. This is like our category 1, C1 that I had written previously. Students, if p is 0 and multiplied by some factor, means this one, then it is our category 2 and 3 that we had written previously. Students, if neither one is 0, then it is with adjustment, means 2 or 3, means category 2 and 3 with adjustment, something have to be added. It is that much. That's enough. So this way the above thing is summarized here. Another could be the power series, student. The power series m square plus minus p. We had this question. This p may varies or may be constant. Another may be your cube series m to the power cube with or without adjustment. The another power of this 2 like 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, or power of this 3 like 27, 81, 243, or near to that much, just by adding or subtracting some numbers that may or may be vary. Okay, so that is the adjustment. The next one is miscellaneous or complex type. This complex type is the other category where I will focus in next class. Mostly, a student, it may be possible that next term can be obtained by adding previous 2 terms or previous 3 terms or previously all the terms. It is also possible that the next term is having digit relation. Means among its own digits, something is being done to get the next term. Those things. A student, this category we will see, or the alternate series. We have already seen 2 or 3 alternate series. So sum of few or all preceding terms, that kind. The difference of preceding terms gives the next term. This we will also see. The digit relation or reversal of digit, then what? Or pairwise relation. So these are other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So other 5 category of things in addition to above we have to learn. These are basically the special cases where no direct mathematical rule, but these cases we have to keep in mind. So above 4 things and these 5 new things we have to keep in mind. Students, so everything we have summarized. So this way, what is our final conclusion for this series? For series, very first thing, again recall, observe this series carefully, find whether this number of the series given is familiar to you or not, or whether the number is closer to the familiar number. Again, familiar number means the number of table, the number of squares series, cube series with or without adjustment, or power of 2 or 3 or 4 with or without adjustment. These are the familiar things. Or for the alphabets, with their position value we have to deal. A student, so very first thing, observe the series carefully. Then find their differences in first step. Or even you can start with, while observing the number carefully, you will get it is the series of prime number or pair of prime number or some adjustment with the prime number. That one. The next one is the difference between the succeeding term. Then observe the difference carefully, whether that difference is constant, increasing successively, or increasing progressively by multiplication. That difference. Also observe next whether the term itself is increasing fastly or slowly, and accordingly choose the condition that I had explained just few minutes back. Okay, students? So these are the things. The same thing is summarized here. First, observe the familiar number of the series. Try to match it with the perfect prime number, perfect square, cube, so many kind of things. The next, if not getting this familiar number, then get the difference, calculate the difference. We will observe this difference may be following some pattern or may be constant. That one. If further not, then go for finding the term relation. How is the next term related to the previous term? Whether it is addition of previous term or just multiplication or addition of all. So previous term relation. For this term relation, we have learned if it is the slow increase, it will just be multiplication by constant number. Very rapid increase, multiplication by successively increasing number. The next one is if it is zigzag, then go for the alternate. It is this one. So the same thing is this, whether it is increasing rapidly or what. Students, Then finally, if the difference also not having any pattern, then observe alternate, we have written. Finally, if not this one, then we have the special case where the term is obtained by adding the previous term. The term obtained is with the digit relation, or the term obtained have some complex relation with the previous term, okay, or whether the term is obtained by reversing the digit of the given number. That is also possible. See, let us consider this 61, 52, 63. What will be the next term? Just I have given the 3. A student, it appears whether increasing, decreasing, everything have failed. But you just reverse it. 1, 6, 16, and keep it here. 2, 5, 25, 6, 3, 36. Means it is our 3, 6. What is next? If we are thinking for this, it is 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. So next will be surely 7 square is 49, but the answer is 94. Not the 49, it is our 94. So this is the special series. Okay, students, so this thing we will learn. Don't worry. Each and everything, जितने भी पॉसिबल चीज होते हैं मैं सब कुछ पढ़ाता हूँ, नहीं तो मैं टॉपिक खत्म ही नहीं करता हूँ. आप देखते होंगे हमारे एकेडमिक्स में भी आपके लेवल के जितने चीजें होते हैं मैं सब कुछ पढ़ा देता हूँ. So just keep patience. We will come across this kind of series. In some of the books, such kind of series are given, and the students are thinking, ये तो सबसे ज़्यादा standard book है. So students, these are the special cases. So these special cases we will also see. So that is the next category called special cases, or average of the two or consecutive numbers or alternate numbers or interchanging the digits, all these categories. So that is the final category. The same thing, 5th or 6th are nearly the same thing. So by this way, just observing this thing, the series questions can be done very easily. Now with this, let us solve just one category of the question, then we will stop. We have finished. What is the summary of this series where we have to focus? So literally from my side, series, all the concept is over. But I cannot leave it here without more practice. जब तक आप practice नहीं करेंगे, आप हमारी ये theoretical चीजें फिर से भूल जाएंगे. So practice is more important. What was our first thing in this series? Observe the number carefully. So series is framed based on the number itself. Let us take few questions. So the first category of question is based on the type of number. So based on the prime number, composite number, pair of prime, alternate prime, the questions are framed. Please solve this question. Find the next term of this series 13, 17, 19, 23. Again, my advice to you people is, जब भी आप ऐसे सीरीज या इन चीज के वीडियोस वॉच करें, आप इसको नोट करें, खुद से पहले सॉल्व करिए, तभी सॉल्यूशन देखिए. जस्ट सॉल्यूशन देखने से आपको सीरीज और ये मैथ के वीडियोस हेल्पफुल नहीं है स्टूडेंट, अनलेस और अंटिल यू आर वर्किंग इट विथ पेन एंड पेपर. So students, let us come to this first question. We have to find the next term in this series 13, 17, 19, 23. Students, the first thing, if we apply the difference, let us take this difference. It is our 4. This one is our 2. This one is our 4. So difference is not uniform. But if we are watching this number carefully, it appears as the prime number 13. Next to 13 is the next prime number 17. Next to that the prime number is 19. Next to that the prime number is 23. So it is the series of prime number. Next prime number to 23 is, so it is the 29. Student, please do the next question. Let us come to the next question. We have to find the next term in the series 35, 57, 711, and what is the next? It appears me only 3 terms are given, and it is the variation is also not uniform, and it is very big number. Just in 3 terms, 35 to 711. In such question, it appears difficult, but it is the easiest if you are able to observe it carefully. As student, this 35 is like 3 5. The next 57 is like 5 and 7. The next is our 7 and 11. If we are observing, we are getting that it is 3 and it is 5, it is 7. So next will be, and all these 3, 5, 7, these are prime number, students. So next will be surely 11 with the next prime number, which is 13. Students, keep in mind how I have concluded that it is surely a prime. That I have concluded from this one. If it is 7, 9, then you can conclude. If this is like this, say 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9. If this were 9 in place of 11, then it is being increased by 2. Okay, increased by 2 means the prime number is not followed in this case. Then it can be 9 and 11. But here it is given as 7, 11. From this, we are getting that after 7 there is the jump of 4 and it have reached to the next prime number. So this prime one is correct and this will become wrong. Okay, so this we have to watch carefully. So this way it was the nothing but it was pair of prime number. Pair of prime number with the next succeeding one. 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 11. So 11 with the next prime, 13. This much simple. Okay. So it is this one. Once again, let us see this question number 2. Here we are observing it is 35, 57, 711. This 711 means the variation is very, very large, which is almost unpredictable. In such a situation, observe the number first carefully within the digits. So here 35 is like 3 and 5, this collection. 57 is like 5 and 7. This 711 is like 7 and 11. If we observe this, then we are getting that this 3 and this 5 is the prime number. Next one is starting with the same 5 and the next prime number 7 is there. The next one is going to start with the same 5 with the next prime number 11. Students, keep in mind it is the prime number 11, not the 9. So you cannot say it is being just increased by 2. So next shall surely start with this 11 with the next prime. 11, the prime is 13. So the required number is 11, 13. This is the required number. So students, आप यहां से यदि इसी क्वेश्चन को यदि ऐसे बनाया जाए, देखिए, if it is 3, 5, 35, 57, then 79, what will be the next? Here it may follow some means lesser difference, तो हो सकता है difference के भी कुछ rule follow करते हो, but options में आपको उसके अलावे और कुछ भी दिए रह सकते हैं. If we consider the series like 35, 57, 79, in that case, within the number, the digit is increased by 2. The next number is obtained by considering the last digit of the previous number with the increase by 2. The same 7 is carried here and increased by 2. So the next number will be our 9 with increase of the 2. Then it will be 9 and 11. But here we are observing this 3, 5, 7 and 11 is given, not the 9. Means 11 is a prime. So we have to choose the other prime 30. Okay, student? Rather than considering the gap. So this was based on the type of number. Very good. So student, the same thing, 11, 13 is there. Let us take the other number. Students, here we have to search the wrong term in this. Now, the same series rule will be applicable, but some of them are not following that rule. Here we are getting the number are randomly varying. That is one thing. So we have to watch it carefully. How is the variation? Here 2 to 3, if we are considering within them, it is increased by 1. Okay. The next one is 3 to 5, it is increased by 2. 5 to 7, it is by 2. 7 to 9, by 2. Then it is 9 to 11, by 2. Then 11, here we are getting, it is not following this. Otherwise, it should be 9 plus 2, it should be 13. And 13 plus 2, it should be 15. If this rule were followed. But here we are observing that among this rule itself, this one was not followed. Then after this 15, it should be 17. And the next 2, it should be 19. But means what? If we are considering plus 2 even for the next succeeding term and within the terms, then these 2 terms are not satisfying. But we have to search for the single term which can make our rule satisfactory for all the terms. And what is that wrong term? What will be the correct in place of that wrong term? That also we have to find. So here it is obvious that considering this increase by 2 within the terms and for getting the next term is not applicable here. So let us try with some other rule. Students, if we are considering the difference, that difference will be very large and that is not useful. Students, so let us see the other thing. If we are considering this as 2, 3, this as 5, 7, then this as 9, 11, then 17, 19, then 23, 29 that I had explained in previous question. In this we are getting, it appear me a series of the prime number with this succeeding one 2, 3, 5, 7, but here this 9 is not a prime. Okay, this 11, okay, it is a prime, but after this 11 we have this 17. Though after this 11 there is one prime which is the 13. So students, let us leave this or let us just mark it. Means our possibility is this one, but we have to verify whether the remaining is following that prime trend or not. Like here it is being followed. Leave these 2 terms. Let us try with them. After that 17, 19, yes, it is prime. 23 is prime. 29 is prime. Means the entire one is the prime series, prime numbers. But here the 2 entries, because of this 9, this is not a prime. Means the number formed here, this number is not a prime or not satisfying. But in place of this, if I am taking in place of 9 as 11 and in this place of 11 if I am taking the 13, means in place of this 911 if I am taking 1113, then we are observing 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 all are prime. It means what? Our wrong number is this 911, and in place of 911 the correct number should be 1113. This way we have determined. So this is the other way of asking the same series where we have to spot out or find out the wrong term. Keep in mind, the wrong term will be only one among them, and on replacing that wrong term, the condition for series will be satisfied. Okay, for that you have to keep in mind the condition for series must be satisfied before this and after this. Then the one applying that rule, you have to find the correct possible terms for that wrong term. So this kind of question is also asked. This is just a way of asking the question. So here we are getting that 911 is wrong because Here 9 is not a prime, though all other are the pair of prime. Okay, so it was this one. Students, please do one more question, then we will stop the class. Missing term in this series, please find it. 3, 7, 13, 19 and 37. Here we are observing 3, 7, 13, 19 and 37. Whatever these terms given, these are appear to me as the prime. So let me write this number once more. 3, 7, 13, 19 and one thing that we have to determine and 37. Though these are prime, but whether they are consecutive prime means one after another. A student, after this 3 we have this 5, after this 7 we have this 11, and after this 13 we have this 17, and so we are getting from here that these are the prime number given after a gap of or after skipping one of the prime number. Means starting from 3, 5 is skipped, 7 is written. After this 7, 11 is skipped, 13 is written. After this 13, 17 is skipped, 19 is written. Means after 19, the next prime is our 23. But 23 need to be skipped. The next to this 23 is 29. So 29 to be taken. But whether this 29, by placing 29 here, whether it is going to follow the next term or not. So after this 29, we will get there is 31 or 37. 37 is already there. So this 31 is also skipped. It means 29 is the correct answer. So this way we have learned that the prime number series can itself be formed in various forms. Okay ना स्टूडेंट? तो देखा आपने प्राइम नंबर सीरीज बताया तो, बट कितने टाइप के प्राइम नंबर सीरीज है तो आपको सोचने हैं. ओके, इट इज दिस वन. I hope it is very much clear. So once it is skipped, so the same rule have to be followed here also. By placing this, one is skipped, next should come. That's why 29. Or after 19, one is skipped, the next should be put. That's why it is 29. It was this one. Students, is there any more question? The same thing. So it is alternate prime number. Keep in mind. You have to search one more question is there, the wrong term in this. 11, 13, 17, 19, 27, 31. So let us come for the question number 5. We have to find the wrong term in this series 11, 13, 17, 19, 27 and 31. Here we are observing, if we consider the difference, it is our 2, it is our 3, 13 to 17 is our 4, then plus 2. But here this variation is our plus of 8 and plus of 4. So this difference is not at all uniform. So do not give any clue. But if you watch this number carefully, 11, 13, 17, 19, these are appear me the prime numbers. But this 27 is not the prime as it is divisible by 3. And 31 is also the prime. So therefore 27 is the wrong entry in this series. Okay. So whatever the concept of series, the same have to be applied, but that will be not satisfied by only one of the terms. Remaining all the other terms will satisfy it. So what should be in place of 27? 27 should be replaced by 29. If in place of 27, 29 is there, it becomes total primes.